I got Creality V3K from Temu like 2 months ago. I want to know that I got this printer with my own money. It was great deal, so I make a purchase. It was brand new unit, and this video is a long-term review type. If you are considering to purchase it, I would wish that there was a video like this to tell me some things which I'm in search. First of all, if you're thinking, is this printer gonna make a good prints? Yes, it will. On that side, you're on safe side, and I'm gonna show you first some prints which you're gonna like. This is my test mini vase, which is printed with filament from PET. And check this out, it looks perfect. It is filament like this. I made it from PET bottles. It is making a perfect prints. This is also printed in vase mode with PET filament. It is perfect. It really looks nice. So again, amazing. Here we have really small Jesus Christ statue printed with stock nozzle on the 0.2 layer height. Looks really decent. The settings weren't perfect, and this model really requires a bigger size. This is quite small, as you can see, so it looks really decent. Also, this is one of my first prints which I made on it when I got it. Looks really nice. These are gantry supports, upgrades. All prints which I am showing you, except these green ones, are printed with PETG, so keep that in mind. These are printed with supports. You can see some defects here from support layer height. I fixed that on the second unit, but you can see that it looks really nice. Here is the shine on the light. Really good finish. I'm super happy how this printer is printing. That is no concern at all. So if you are considering something like this, there is no mistake to do for a budget printer for around 200 euros. There is no mistake, but there is a huge but. There are a few upgrades which you immediately need to do. The first one is this cable holder. Not that much a problem. Really important to have a camera. You want to turn the filament spool holder to be like this. The major problem which I'm having with this printer is really build quality. It is I had a Illegal Neptune 4, which was really like built like a truck, but for this print quality which you get here out of the box, you really need to tinker on the Neptune 4 to get that print quality. So that is a plus for Creality, but build quality is really bad. So a lot of plastic. The gantry is really wobbly. If you print the vase, which you can see right now on the video, and I'm showing you first the perfect print, but on this print, if it happens that you touch the printer in mid-print, like just touch it softly, it will get a print defect. It is that much bad, and that never happened on let's say Neptune 4, but it is easier to set up. That's why I printed this gantry support to hopefully fix that, because sometimes you just want to remove something from the plate or touch the printer not by purpose, and you get a print defect on something that you're like printing for 4 or 5 hours. You don't want that to happen. Automatic Z offset leveling works nice, but it is mandatory to fine-tune it to get a perfect initial layer like this. This is the first layer. Just look at it, it is perfect. And this is the second layer. Really amazing. 100% without defect. Really perfect. But you won't get it like that with automatic Z offset. You let it do its own job, and after that you set up the print like this, and in mid print you adjust the printer here in this menu, and after that you're ready to go. Fire it up and print. You get the perfect prints, but don't touch your printer because you will get the defects. If you don't want to get defects, you print a country support, which I need to make. Check out this first layer. This is the first layer and this is the second layer. Both looking perfect. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. There is a lot of cutting corners on it. I was having a fan rattle like from day one. Not happy about that. Overall, the printer is on the cheaper side by build quality, but there is a huge community so you can fix that. So for the price, yes, I am recommending it, but if you have a little bit of more money, you should buy, let's say, a V3, which is completely metal made, and that is on the plus side. Second thing, which doesn't affect the print quality or anything major, is the screen. It is super cheap, resistive screen. Just look at that. I mean, I'm showing you the wobble. The screen is responsive, works quite well, but it is those old school screens, so they are cutting corners on every possible way. But in general, the great thing is that you can get a really nice quality prints. I'm showing you some of them right now, and regarding that, you get a lot in terms of print quality, speed, but you're sacrificing the build quality and overall quality experience, which you can semi-fix with upgrades. So it is not a bad printer. This print is also the PETG print, and it is printed with outer wall 200 millimeters per second. Inside walls are 220, infill is 240. We have a bridge here, which is quite a big, and a bridge here also. So I would like to see your PETG print this good with printer this cheap, and these are my settings, and they are, I need to say, perfect. And this is a glossy PETG from Joyo, which quite shows defects if there is any. You can see here that the print is quite good. The dimensional accuracy is nearly perfect. So this is tuned for speed and quality, and I'm getting this from Creality V3KE. Everything stock, so I didn't make any upgrades still. I'm planning to put an input shaper and some other things, but you can see how well it can print when you tune everything up. And this quality with PETG required tuning. I have a really good profile. I plan to share it at some point, so stay tuned for that. It gets my warm recommendation if you want to tinker a bit, at least regarding upgrading it to get a more stable machine. But again, out of the box, majority of people, especially if you're not someone who want to get pure perfection, it will satisfy you 100%.